question I hear from clients pretty often, because I work with a lot of coaches and trainers and therapists and people who are in that sort of world, is video marketing. I don't like marketing. Well, a lot of people don't like marketing, but everybody likes to have new clients. So there's a little bit of a gap there that's important to fill. And sometimes calling stuff marketing makes it feel like advertising. And advertising seems to be making stuff up, where marketing is just sharing your energy and excitement about what you do for people and how you do it with others, right? That's my beliefs about selling. I'm going to share what I know about this thing with you because it's awesome. So there's a difference between marketing for a professional and a video presence. A video presence offers help, offers advice, offers new ideas, offers a fresh take on stuff. Video presence tells people about you, about your practice, about your beliefs in them, right? About your understanding of the topic, about your commitment to your patients, to your clients, about how much you care about them, right? If you're just telling stories like that, you're letting people see you. You're putting them up on your website, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, whatever your flavor is, or all the flavors. But you're just available by video as a presence. This is not advertising, but it does give people a way to check you out, to discover you, to get a feel for you. It gives your happy clients something to share. Oh my God, this woman did this great stuff for me. I want to share the video on Facebook. That's marketing. So the difference between marketing and video presence sometimes comes down to just what we call it. And we call it video presence because that feels better. If you'd like to work on the video presence in your practice, you might be interested in our 21-day video marketing Jumpstart. It's an easy course that'll get you going.